Okay, geometry students, here's a video for example 4 for section 6.2, solving problems involving isosceles trapezoids. All the horizontal beams of a high voltage transmission tower are parallel to the ground. That's this one, and this one, and this one. They're all parallel, which means these are trapezoids, and they also say that it's both the top and bottom are isosceles trapezoids, which we can see because this is 10 feet, this is 10 feet, 14 and 14. If the measure of angle 1 is 138, then what's the measure of angle 2? So what I've done is I've taken this top triangle and I've already, where is it? I've done this with it. So it makes it even simpler to see, well, if this is 138, subtract from 180, which I think is 42, that means this one's 42. And if that one's 42, so is this one. There we go, 42. The base angles are congruent, and well, we've already had this, so I'm not sure why they're. Oh, I guess because it's a word problem. When it's a word problem, just make it into a math problem. All right, here's a trickier one than what we've dealt with before. One cross support of the center tower measures 4c plus 3. So it's 4c plus 3 for this piece. Maybe it's the whole way, I'm not sure. And then it's 6c minus 5 for the other piece. The key is, if they're talking about the whole diagonal and the whole diagonal, they're congruent. If they're talking about this piece and that piece, they're congruent. If they were talking about this piece and this piece, they're congruent because it's an isosceles trapezoid. So you make the two expressions equal to each other, and then it's an algebra problem. Solve 4c plus 3 equals 6c minus 5. You subtract 4c from both sides, add 5 to both sides, divide both sides by 2, and get c is 4, using your algebra skills. But you got to set it up like a geometry, set up using your geometry knowledge. Oh, they wanted us to find the lengths of each cross support. So then after you find out c is 4, plug it in. They plugged in 4 into the 4c plus 13 and got 19. You can also plug 4 into the other one because they're going to be the same. 24 minus 9 is also 19. Doesn't matter which one you plug it in for, they're going to be 19. All right. This drawing is wrong, so let me go to what I created for us. Given the isosceles trapezoid MNOP, where the given expressions represent measures of the diagonals, what is the value of A? Oh, I see what they're saying. This whole diagonal is A plus 3, and this whole diagonal is 2A minus 1. All right, if that's true, what's the value of A? Click pause, come on back. Those two diagonals have to be equal to each other, so A plus 13 must equal 2A minus 1. And then you just solve it. Got to get the a's together, so minus a from both sides. That's going to give me a minus 1 on this side. The a's cancel out, so I have just 13 on this side. Then I'm going to add 1 to both sides. Add 1, and I get 14. A is 14. A is 14. What do they get? 14. All right, let's see what problems you can do. 19, 22, and 23. That's it for this video. Have a great day.